In this topic, we will see the importance of mineral for a child. Mineral is an inorganic substance which are found in soil and water. It is then absorbed by plants or eaten by animals. It is found in small quantities within the body and they are obtained from a wide variety of foods. Mineral plays a key role in ensuring health and well-being. A child's body needs large amount of some minerals such as calcium to grow and stay healthy. The body uses minerals to perform many different functions from building strong bones to transmitting nerves impulse. Some minerals are even used to make hormones or maintain a normal heartbeat. Minerals are naturally occurring. They are not made by humans. Minerals are inorganic, they have never been alive and are not made up from plants and animals. Minerals are solids, they are not liquids like water. Minerals have a defined chemical composition. Each one is made up of particular mix of chemical elements. Minerals have an ordered atomic arrangements. The chemical elements that make up each mineral are arranged in a particular way. This is why mineral grows as crystals. Now let us see the two different kinds of minerals. A body needs many minerals. These are called essential minerals. Essential minerals are basically classified as macro minerals and trace minerals. Macro minerals are also known as major minerals and trace minerals are also known as micro minerals. These two group of minerals are equally important, but trace minerals are needed in small amount than major minerals. The amount needed in the body are not an indication of their importance. Macro mineral. Macro is basically derived from a Greek word which means large. In this, a child's body needs large amount of macro minerals than trace minerals. The macro mineral group is made up of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride and sulfur. Now let us see some of the macro minerals that a child gets from food. The first one is calcium. Calcium is the top macro minerals when it comes to the child's bone. This mineral helps build strong bone so that a child can do everything from standing up straight to scoring that winning goal. It also helps in building a strong healthy teeth for chomping on tasty food. The food which are rich in calcium contains dairy products such as milk, cheese, yogurts and fish, also leafy vegetables, orange juice, cereals, etc. The next one is phosphorus. Phosphorus works with calcium in the formation of strong healthy bones and teeth. It helps the child's body to store and use energy. The food which are rich in phosphorus contain meat, fish, poultry, egg, milk, processed food, etc. Then comes magnesium. Magnesium is basically found in bones, which is needed for making protein, muscles contraction, nerve transmission, immune system health. Magnesium provides structures for healthy bones. It is involved in the release of energy from food. The food which are rich in magnesium contains nuts and seeds, legumes, leafy green vegetables, seafoods, chocolates, etc. Sodium is needed for proper fluid balance, nerve transmission and muscle contraction. It controls the nerve impulse transmission and also help in maintaining a water balance. The food high in sodium are processed or commercial products such as table salt, soy sauce, large amount in processed food, small amount in milk, breads, vegetables and unprocessed meats. The next one is potassium. Potassium is basically needed for proper fluid balance, nerves transmission and muscle contraction. Potassium keeps a child's muscles and nerve system working properly. The food which are rich in potassium includes meat, milk, fresh juice, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, etc. The next one is chloride. Chloride is needed for proper fluid balance and stomach acid. The food which are rich in chloride includes table salt, soy sauce, large amount in processed food, small amount in milk, meats, bread and vegetable. Sulfur. Sulfur is basically found in protein molecules. It is occurred in large food as part of protein, meats, poultry, fish, eggs, milks, legumes, nuts, etc. Now let us understand trace mineral. Trace mineral is also known as micromineral. A trace mineral means that there is only a little of it. So even though a child's body needs trace mineral, it needs just a tiny bit of each one. Even the scientists are not sure how much of these minerals a child needs each day. Trace mineral includes iron, copper, iodine and zinc. Now let us see some of the trace minerals that a child gets from a food. The first one is iron. Body needs iron to transport oxygen from a lung to the rest of a child's body. A child's body needs oxygen to stay healthy and alive. Iron helps because it is important in the formation of hemoglobin, which is the part of red blood cells that carried oxygen throughout the body. The food which are rich in iron includes meat, liver, chicken, seafood, dried beans, egg yolks and fortified breakfast cereals. The next one is copper. Copper joins with iron in formation of red blood cell. It helps with the functioning of nerve system. The food which are rich in copper contains crab, lobsters, mussels, nuts, yeast extract and the whole grain. The next one is iodine. Iodine helps in promoting normal thyroid functions, also helps brain functions and normal growth. The food which are rich in iodine includes dairy products, seafoods, vegetable from particular soils, iodized salts and bread made with iodized salts. The next one is zinc. Zinc helps a child's immune system, which is a child's body system for fighting off illness and infection. It also helps with cell growth and helps healing wounds such as cuts. The food which are rich in zinc contain meat, chicken, seafood, milk and whole grain cereals. So these are some of the important trace minerals that a child get from food. Now let us see some of the deficiencies of mineral and their effect on a child's health. What happens if a child does not get enough mineral in a diet? Potentials for deficiency depends on the mineral itself. Some are absolutely necessary and others not so much. So the first one is calcium deficiency. Without enough calcium, a child's bone and teeth does not grow strong and straight. Calcium is a team player. To protect against deficiency, a child needs adequate amount of vitamin D. The nutrient that allows a child absorb the calcium gets from food or supplements. Milk fortified with vitamin D has done much to eliminate these rickets. The next one is iron deficiency. Lacking sufficient iron, a child's body cannot make the hemoglobin. It requires to carry energy sustaining oxygen to every tissues. The result is a condition called anemia, which leaves a child tired and weak. Mild iron deficiency may also inhibit the intellectual performance. Zinc deficiency can make a child lose their appetite and the ability to taste food. It may also weaken a child's immune system, increase the risk of infections. Wound heal more slowly when a child does not get enough zinc. Next one is iodine deficiency. Moderate iodine deficiency leads to swollen thyroid gland and reduced production of thyroid hormone. A more severe deficiency early in life may cause a form of mental and physical retardation called cretinism. Selenium problem. Selenium is another important deficiency of mineral. A child may affect from muscle pains and weakness. To protect against selenium problem, a child needs to get plenty of vitamin E. There are certain symptoms of a mineral deficiencies depending upon which nutrition the child's body lack. They include constipation, bloating or abdominal pain, decreased immune system, diarrhea, irregular heartbeat, loss of appetite, muscles cramping, vomiting, numbness or tingling in the extremities, poor concentration, slow social or mental development in children, weakness or tiredness. That's all for today. Thank you.